Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. And right now, as we can see, I'm sitting on the rail line and the natural beauty. Actually, I didn't want to make a video, but the view. After seeing this view, I've decided that I have to make video anyhow, any cost, and I want to just capture the natural beauty. And I've come, as you can see, with my friends, and we are enjoying the nature, and he's listening something. So that's the thing actually. And nowadays, I don't I don't get any kinds of proper time to practice my speaking English. So for this reason, actually, when I make video, and in this video actually, I want to just try to practice my speaking English properly. Otherwise, when I stay at my home, I'm not able to practice English. So I don't know what's the reason behind it, but I'm always trying to practice my speaking English properly so that I can be a fluent speaker within a very short time. But right now, I'm feeling bad, and whenever I try to practice my speaking English, I don't feel more comfortable. And I'm thinking that actually from where I can start my speaking English. Okay, so this is the main point for beginners, as well as also after speaking English. Right now, as you can see, I'm able to speak English properly. I'm making video, and I have a confidence to make a conversation with another kinds of people. And if foreigners will come here and speak English with me, I'm able to speak English with them. But there's the one thing, that is sometimes we are not understand their voice. What's the reason behind? Do you know about it? That is actually a big problem I can see, because sometimes when you will make conversation, you want to express your romanticism in front of the people, and you are talking about any kinds of thing, and if you are not able to make any another person, that means in front of you or with your friends, if you are not able to make them understand, it's not called speaking English. Okay, it's not called conversation. Like think about it, your language, mother tongue. That is our mother tongue, is Bangla. So when we'll speak in front of, or when we'll practice with our friends, and as you can see, this is the live proof actually. They are making conversation, and they are talking about one guy who is living in Jagadishpur. So that's the thing actually. So if as you can see, the one guy, he is wearing a black t-shirt, and he asked him that who is he actually. Okay, so I don't want to mention his name. So he has told him that who is he. So who is he is a phrase, and if after talking he will not understand, or if he could not understand, he wasn't able to give him answer. So there's called actual conversation. When you will practice, or when you will talk your partner or your family members or something like that, the conversation that's called is you have to make them understand. They will make you understand. But sometimes we are feeling bad for listening native speakers when we are listening something like native speakers British language, British accent, and as well as American accent, right? But I think British accent is too much hard than American language, but it's so cool. Okay, so there's a thing actually, this called a lack of listening. We have to listen more and more so that we can understand their voice, and there's the actually main thing. There's the behind of the main part of thing that we have to practice anyhow, any course for practicing for develop our speaking, and we have to emphasize on our speaking. So that's all about.